guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hi Kitty.
Oh, hi Jet.
Hi guys. As you can see, we've got some boxes. So you know what that
boxes.
means? That means
We are going to do a huge PR unboxing.
well, it's not huge. We're out of town for
It's pretty big.
for a couple weeks, and
Pretty
this is
big.
what we accumulated over 2 weeks.
Yes.
So here we go.
We were in Texas for a couple weeks.
And
And shout out to our girl Yuri.
oh yeah, Yuri.
Our neighbor, she was collecting all her boxes while we were gone. Thank you so much for doing that, by the way.
Yeah, girl. Thank you so much
She's the
because,
greatest.
as you can tell, she had a lot.
She had a lot of boxes.
Anyways, let's jump right into it. So I'm just gonna grab Milani because
Alright. We're just gonna open shit, and it's gonna be a very chill video, alright guys?
yeah. So take a hit.
So I'm opening Huda DHL.
I'm opening up.
Okay, this is Kayali. If y'all didn't know, Huda and Kayali, sister brands, are they the same company, something like that?
Something like that.
We have Deja Vu White Flower. Ooh.
No popcorn.
No, that's not bad.
Yeah,
Packaging
because
sometimes can be so annoying when you have
It's on this side.
when you have these many boxes and it gets everywhere in cleanup. It's fun.
Alright, so Milani, I'm gonna guess this is the Halloween. Oh, it is. Show us your beautiful. Aw, that's so cute. Show us your beautiful looks.
This is a hair mist.
Oh, this is cute.
What? It's a scented hair mist.
Bam!
What is that for?
I guess how appropriate it is because it's Halloween.
Okay, if y'all have ever heard of a hair mist that is like fragrant, let me know. Kayali has one and I didn't know those existed.
Okay, so in this collection, you guys do get 2 eyeshadow palettes, face gems. You get 2 types of face gems, actually.
Face gems.
Then you get some liquid lipsticks. Okay, you get ludicrous lip gloss and metallic shimmer lipsticks, face gem kits, and eyeshadow palettes.
Okay, Nomad. I'll think Nomad right now. Shout out to Nomad. They're such a great company. They're so cool.
You're already on the second one.
I love their products. Well, that was just a hair mist.
Oh, look at this. How cute. Oh, look at the palettes. The palettes are quite small. Muchas gracias, Milani. Wait, I have another one here from Nomad.
Oh, I have 2 from Nomad. Might be the same one.
Oh, look at her beautiful message. I love the way she writes.
This is Cartagena. I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Oh my gosh, she's so funny. Look what she said. She said, "Dear Matt, buenos dias. We hope you love this palette as much as you love Whataburger.
Oh
Thank
my
you
gosh,
a lot
really
for the
let me see that.
hugs and for all the support. Felicia, you're so sweet.
Let me see.
You're so sweet.
She literally said Whataburger.
Literally said Whataburger.
Oh, this is pretty. Look at those shades. Very
So
warm.
here is the palette as
Okay,
well.
it's the same palette.
Yes.
I would love to talk more about these brands, but we have a lot to get through.
I'm gonna grab something up here. Ah! Oops.
Well, that did not last very long, our little tower. I'm guessing this is Huda again.
I'm
Yes.
opening Beauty Creation.
Yes, bitch.
Got it.
Okay, so I got something from Wishful, which is Huda. If y'all didn't know, this is Huda's skincare brand. Rose oil.
Oh, that's her news rose oil. It's supposed to have some good shit. Check this out. So Beauty Creations, cool packaging, love it. This is called Be Bright.
That's
And
cute.
this, I think they're doing all 4 shades of the neon colors, or 3. So there you go.
Where's the other one?
This
Oh, right
one
here.
is Bougie, girl. This is the Bougie shadow, okay? Because we bougie, so they did come with a full brush set.
I'm gonna open this one. and
Liquid
see if
lipstick.
it's different. Yep, orange.
So it's muchas gracias, Beauty Creations.
Beauty Creations.
We're opening up Benefit.
House of Lashes.
I'm opening up. This is some strong tape, Benefit. Oh my god,
Oh. It's a collab with Patrick Ta.
Oh, how dope.
I didn't know this was happening. Oh, this is a cool box. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, look. Individuals.
Oh, that's dope.
So we can
use
just
a lot,
have
actually.
bottom lashes.
Many moments of happiness. Always at home with benefit.
There's 4 full lashes, and then there are these ones, and there's a glue. How cute.
Oh, I got a whole pamphlet from Benefit. It tells you their whole journey when they started.
What is that?
Stuff you can do to give back. Benefit.
But does it benefit you? Is it beneficial?
It's beneficial.
Does it benefit?
Honey. I mean, that's the pamphlet. They sent over this cute little makeup bag. Oh shit, bitch. She's a
Cute.
Look how the way she opens and closes.
Oh. Okay. This back here. Oh, here's Avon.
So now, Wes, we have a Benefit mask.
A benefit mask. We've got a lot of masks.
But I don't know why we would do white in the inside, honey. No one will wear makeup. They sent over all the minis of their favorites that they've come out with over the years, and a hand sanitizer. So thank you, Benefit.
Oh, this is like
Now I shall open. Fuck it! What's that?
unparalleled luxury for your skin. This is Avon. Wait, I think this might be one of their skincare brands. So Avon apparently has a skincare brand, or like I said, the sister company. There is a cream and a serum. This is called Mission Luxurive. Honestly, I do not know how to say that.
Okay, so Koki sent over some awesome eyeliners, waterproof, and some really cool colors with some mascara.
Mascara.
They say, hey Matt, welcome to the Koki fam. We hope you love these top eyeshadows.
Okay, so this is Colourpop. Oh, this is the Sandstone collection.
Okay.
Who is this? Koki? Koki, oh that's cute packaging.
Muchas gracias, Koki.
So this is the Colourpop Sandstone collection. I love this packaging. It's really pretty.
I feel like it's Christmas.
That's cute. It's neutral. But
What
it's
is it?
cute. We got some lippy sticks, some cream gel liners. We got Fourth Ray, which is their skincare brand, and Sol, actually.
All right, Peach and Lily sent over their new glass skin veil mist.
So I got a box of Boxycharm. Let's see, we have a gold foil mask. Pink and Henry.
Oh, cool.
Pink and Henry's in this one. This is a lipstick in shade Te Amo. Kate Somerville exfoliating treatment. So there's a palette also. And then there is a nurturing hand cream.
Oprah sent over a lot of shit.
Really?
This is from
Oh,
Makeup Fixer.
revitalizing clay mask. Everyone has skincare now.
Oh my gosh, look at all this. A foaming hand soap, a sugar body scrub, and a premium peptide-based skincare solution series.
Interesting.
Aw, I'm bummed out. This is hand spray sanitizer. There's 3 different kinds, but they came broken.
Really?
Yeah. Mid palette, signature palette, verified drama liquid liner, mascara.
Look at him. Look at our kitty. He loves to sit in all of our PR boxes. He loves when we go through them because he gets to play in them. Jet, you're so cute.
Pink and Henry sent over sex talk.
Sex talk.
How cool. Can't wait to play with that.
Alright, there's some more back here. You wanna open that one? He's really trying to break the makeup, isn't he?
No, I'm not.
You are. Ooh, Morphe.
Morphe.
Wow. Morphe 2, there's more.
Morphe Madison Beer.
Beer.
Madison Beer.
Oh my goodness.
This is a cool.
Oh wow. Look at this big piece of plastic. Well, I opened up my Morphe stuff, but my camera was not recording. So I wanted to just tell you guys real quick what they have. They have tinted brow gels. There's lip balms. There are lip glosses. There are... What is this guy doing?
Me?
Yeah, actually, you and
Well,
him.
I'm repressing a pigment that was shipped that was broken.
Okay, bye Jet. Hi Jet, bye.
Well, let's see this.
There are some cream highlighter sticks. So by the way guys, if you guys get any Morphe products, use code WEST to save money. And
Revlon decided
we
to
opened
send
this
over.
too, but our camera shut off.
So here we go.
We're gonna do this again.
It says
What does it say?
hotties.
Hotties,
It's a
baby.
fucking pair of lips, bitch.
It's a pair of lips. Look at it, it's a freaking floaty, y'all. Oh, it was a mess. Okay, I'm opening Anastasia. We're getting down to our last few boxes, guys.
I already know what this is, and I'm excited.
Oh.
Colourpop sent over Coral. I'm just kidding, Coral.
Anastasia sent over Soft Glam 2.
In the coast of Coral, you do get gel liners, you get glossy lips, you get pressed powdered blush, you get some super shock highlighter compact, some face milk, and some shimmering dry oil.
Look how cute that is.
She's cute.
It's a mini Soft Glam. Look at it. It's so cute. It's even the same packaging. And there's some lip gloss sets.
It's not as corally as you thought it would be.
I'm going for Rare Beauty. I think this is rare. It doesn't say it. But
It's Rare Beauty.
it's rare.
Yep. Hey!
It's Rare Beauty. It's a big one.
Leslie hasn't been to the gym in a while.
I haven't opened PR in a while. It usually keeps me fit.
I'm just excited to touch it.
Hey, if you guys don't know, this is Selena Gomez's new makeup brand, Rare Beauty. Okay, so that opens and then there's some drawers, right? Is this open? This opens. Oh look, there she is. Oh, okay, there's a book, honey.
There's a book.
It tells you all about it if you want to be educated.
Damn, she really put the whole fucking collection in here.
You should read that. 3 shades of foundation. Hopefully they match me. These look a little dark.
And then you
Nice
have
concealer.
4 shades of liquid highlighter.
She has a sponge, dude. That's interesting.
Oh, and these are her liquid blush.
Jordan Liberty is raving about all this stuff, so it must be good.
It must be real good.
These are lipsticks. Oh, that's interesting packaging. Ooh.
Blot and Glow blotting sheets.
I
with
love this.
a setting powder. This is very nice.
Feel this? I love these packaging on this. These flips.
What does it remind me of?
It's a soft
It
matte.
reminds me of Maybelline's.
Nice. So we have all the liquid lipsticks, all the cream lipsticks.
Illuminating primer,